She ratchet.
She is ratchet as hell.
Ratchet.
She ratchet. I mean,
Girl.
let me tell you about this ratchet girl, okay? Before we do the video. So it's all about food stamps.
Right.
Okay, she wanted to hunch on this boy for a little bit of some of the food stamps he had. What's wrong with that? I don't think that's ratchet. She ratchet. Okay, let's just get to the song.
We finna tell y'all a story, okay?
This is a remix.
Let me tell we finna tell y'all what happened last Sunday ago, and it was today Jesus Rose last Wednesday. Okay, Friday around 5:30 p.m. when everybody was in the Skyline. What had happened was that time was when that boy had fought that girl, and he had got hit because she was ratchet in the middle of the floor. And then her cousin, best friend, nephew, uncle, sister, brother, auntie,
okay, let's just start the song.
Hold on, brother, sister-in-law, daddy on her daddy's side, brother, sister-in-law, nephew, cousin, best friend had hopped in. Girl, it all happened like this. It was because of this. Let me tell you, girl. She walked in the club, and everybody was like this. This how everybody was. And she ain't like it though. This how everybody was. Oh my God, look at her come out the house looking like
she is doing the
she is doing the nose. Oh my God. OMG, what do she have on?
She Richie.
That's her front is all wrong. Richie, give me phone. Let me take this type of picture.
Cause she Richie.
Got it. Finna put this girl on Twitter. I ain't got time for this. I'm too wrong.
You Richie.
Boy, bye now with them shoes on. Oh. Ooh, why she wanna punch out in her face? I can stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
Baby boy, and it came with her sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. No shoe. Wisdom. Had to get cute today. I bought a jeans for a boost today. Had to keep it looking good. Come on, they made test maybe. He'll thought kiss you today. Baby, need new shoes today. Just up for in 2 days. Got the track yesterday. Girl, just get blue today. Go be feet up. Move, trim. It's the 15. I got my food. Hold on, we got some turbulence up interruption. Okay, here we go. It's the 15. It's the 15. I got my food stamps. You messed me up, bitch. That wasn't even a part. I'm sorry, but now we have to redo it. Oh, here we go again.
Again.
Hey, where my weed? Oh my God, who let her come out the house looking like that?
She is doing.
Oh my God, she is doing the most.
Look you right in the face.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She ratchet.
Give me the phone. Let me take this self a picture. Got it for to put this girl on Twitter. Cause we ain't got time for this. We too grown. Boy, bye now with them shoes on. Ooh, I wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
Oh, baby boy, it came with her sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. No shit. Wisdom. I had to get cute today. I had to see her blue today. I had to keep it looking good. Come on, baby. He'll think his shoes today. Baby, need new shoes today. Jacked up for in 2 days. Got the tracks yesterday. Girl, just get good today. Gonna be fit up. Mood tram. It's the 15. I got my food stamp.
Get out my way.
They ain't do a tap, paid $95 for this weed plus that. Bow, better think of watch make my throw. No redhead is cantaloupe. Thinking that you better than I am. What did you think? Whatever. Chill out. My number. What? Please, what's wrong with you? Oh, here she go. Come here, girl. Hey, girl. You look good.
Girl, you is. Oh,
Girl,
cute, girl.
turn around. Let me see what you just saw in. Okay, we just gonna talk to you later. Girl. OMG, what do she got on?
She was ratchet.
Her lace front was all
Cause she
wrong.
ratchet.
Give me a call. Let me take this step a picture. Got it for to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye now with them shoes on.
Cause you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Carl. In the club, we street before 11. Pre-camp girl, we party. Yes, I am the baddest, bitch. You can't have this boo-boo. Sorry, Kid Kosher is my future baby daddy. Mari got my jersey dressed on. Jordan here match my press on. Pound, Team dark skin. We don't like the red bone. Uplifting my picture. New habit got glitter. Look me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. Cause if you don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down. I'm with Team with your man. If you got a lot of money, then this team he had. I mean, what you saying?
I mean, what
You
is
was
you
that
saying?
we was playing.
What is you mean? What
I mean, what she got a leopard skin?
Leopard skin and stuff.
What she? I mean, the leopard skin. I mean, really
Wow,
does
really?
that. I mean, really? Girl, he don't want you. Why is you begging with your thirsty? I mean, what you mean, what you say? I mean, you thought we was playing. Really, this is our ratchet girl. I mean, get over it.
She ratchet.
She ratchet.
She is ratchet.
She is ratchet.
So ratchet, girl.
Girl.
I need a cigarette.
Get out of our way.